Hi everyone, welcome back to Nature Rocks. We got some really cool stuff to show you today. Today we're looking at UV reactive stones or UV reactive rocks, crystals, and we got our trusted new UV light, and we're going to be checking out some of these, and I'll show you some really cool UV reactive stones today. So we're going to start off with some, well, first a little overview. So what we got here is what they call blue amber. Glows blue. I polished one side of most of these. Really neat stuff. Next we got a Chalcedony geode, which they call a green goblin. Cool. Next we got some local honey calcite, which a lot of this stuff is UV reactive. Really neat stuff. We got a bunch of it here at the shop. This is a really cool one. It's called willemite. Willemite and calcite. Isn't that neat? And we got some green fluorite. Some more fluorite. This is more of a rainbow fluorite. It's awesome the way this stuff glows. Here's some sodalite. Another piece of sodalite, probably our favorite in here. Look at that. Glows almost like a blood orange. Here's what I just found. This one was really interesting. Look at the contrast change. This is sea sediment jasper. This one's shine a little bit too. It kind of surprised me. This is creedite. And we got some Herkimer diamonds. And what makes these guys shine and glow is the petroleum inside. So super cool stuff. Come down, check it out. Come see for yourself, or bring in a cool rock and we'll test it out.